I work in the Network Dynamic Systems group and also the Human-Centered Autonomy group. The human-centered autonomy is mainly focused on this idea that robots are an increasing part of our life. They're going to get only more prolific. How do we have humans integrate with them in a safe way? How do we make it more natural for those humans to interact with robots? People are typically familiar with factory automation in general. You've seen it in car plants and things like that. And they're familiar with things like 3D printing, but we're looking to automate much more industrial related tasks, whether that's fabrication, whether that's actual assembly, and to try to add a little bit of intelligence to that layer so that we can do things faster, more efficiently, more safely. So anytime we can improve efficiency and also keep people out of harm's way, that's kind of a win-win for us. So I'm standing here next to a high-performance KUKA robotic arm. We've attached a pneumatic gripper to it, and we're using this for high-performance, real-time manipulation of arbitrary objects. And it's kind of a test bed that we use to show what types of things we can manipulate, how do we detect things on conveyor belts. Oftentimes when we're making parts in a factory, they're coming down some sort of assembly line or some sort of conveyor belt in a very unordered fashion. And the state of the art in a lot of ways is to actually try to order that coming down the conveyor belt such that you can pick things from the same place over and over and over again to move on to the next stage of automation. However, we're looking at how do you pick totally unordered things when they're very dangerous, maybe they're sharp, maybe they're hot, and try to manipulate those things in real time so that we can simplify the factory process. Typically, everything is done on very structured inputs. Broadly speaking, we're just trying to look at the unstructured input case and how do we move forward with that so that we don't have to plan so much around everything always being in the same place.